Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 7.30, and in this question it is given to you a solid disc and a ring, both of having radius 10 centimeter, are placed on a horizontal table simultaneously. Clear? So now we can say, let's suppose I am assuming, let's suppose I am saying this is an object. It may be a disc, it may be a ring. Clear? So in this question it is given a solid disc or a ring, both are having radius. So I am assuming radius first, that is capital R. First of all I am actually finding here a formula that is related to that time. Clear? So a solid disc and ring, both are having radius 10 centimeter, are placed on a horizontal table. Okay, fine. Initial angular speed is also given, it means omega naught is also given to you. Okay, and which of the two will start earlier? Clear? And coefficient of kinetic friction is also given. Okay, now concentrate on a screen. And let's suppose we are talking about pure rolling condition. Clear? So let's suppose first I am talking about, this is V center of mass. Clear? And if I am talking about pure rolling condition, in pure rolling condition at point B, we should V center of mass, it should be equal to R omega. Clear? So at that time actually the use of this friction, is to bring this body in a pure rolling condition. Once the pure rolling condition is achieved, this friction force becomes zero. Clear? So I can say, we can write like this V center of mass. So V center of mass, this should be equal to R omega. Let's suppose this is equation number 1. Clear? Now when a body just start and in a condition of a pure rolling, the role of a friction is very important. Clear? So we can actually write like this: friction force, this actually providing necessary acceleration for center of mass. So I can say this is equal to m into a. Yes or no? Yes. So now we can say m into acceleration a. Clear? Now we know friction force. Friction force is actually written as mu mg. Clear? So from here we can say m and m, this is cancelled out. Clear? So necessary friction force, that is equal to, or we can say this acceleration of center of mass, this is equal to this one. Clear? Now I can also write like this: this is the acceleration value. Clear to everyone? Yes. Now we can say actually this friction force is also providing a torque. Clear? So I can say torque, that is given by F into R, and we can say this is the R. Clear? Perpendicular distance R, and we can say this is in anti-clockwise direction, and actually this is retarding the motion. So we can say this is equal to minus times of I alpha. Clear? So we can also write like this: alpha, this is given by minus F R by I. Clear? Value of friction force, this is given to you mu k mg. Clear? So we can write like this: alpha, this should be equal to minus mu k mg R divided by I. Clear to everyone? Now we can also write like this: omega equal to omega naught plus alpha t. Clear? So now we can say omega, we can also write value of omega, this is equal to V by R equal to omega naught, this is given to us. Clear? Plus alpha. Now we can put here value of alpha, this one. So this is minus mu k mg R divided by, I can say I. Clear? And it is multiplied with t. Clear? Value of V, what is value of V? We can put value of V like this. Clear? We know V equal to U plus AT. Clear? Value of acceleration, we have mu k into g. So I can say this is equal to mu k gt. Clear? So I can put that value here. Clear? So mu k gt divided by R, this is given by omega naught minus mu k mg R by I and multiplied with t. Clear? It is multiplied with t. Clear? So from here you can say we can take here common mu k gt. Clear? So from here I can write like this: this is 1 by R. Clear? Mu k gt I am taking common 1 by R, and mu k gt from here, so plus m R divided by I. Clear? Clear? And this should be equal to, I can say, omega naught. Clear? So if I take here common, that is R also. Clear? So I can write here this value R, and from here we can say this R is here not, and we can also write like this: here we have R square. Clear to you? So from here can we calculate, can we find here value of t? Yes, definitely. So how can we write value of t? Listen carefully. Yes, so from here we can say value of t we can write, and value of t how can we write, that is very important. Yes, so value of t I can write like this, t, this should be equal to r omega naught divided by mu k, and this one is g, clear, and 1 plus mr square divided by I. So my dear student, actually I derived here a general expression that is related to time t, clear. Now if I talk about disk, listen carefully, if I talk about disk, clear, so at disk we can say this I equal to mr square by 2, clear. So I can say this is given by r omega naught divided by mu k g, clear, this is mr square by 2, so I can say this is equal to 3, clear, and this is a time for disk, clear. Now let's suppose if I am talking about ring, and if I calculate here value t2, then for a ring I can say this is equal to mr square, so mr square and mr square, this is cancelled out, this is becomes 2, so I can say r omega naught divided by mu k g, and this is 2. Now you can say here if we compare both time taken by disk or a ring, definitely we can say time taken by disk is less compared to this ring, clear. It means I can say disk will reach it first, clear, disk will reach first, disk will reach earlier compared to this ring, clear, from an incline, from or we can say it will actually roll earlier, clear. So which one roll earlier? Definitely I can say disk will roll earlier compared to ring, clear. Now can we calculate here values? Yes, definitely we can calculate. So how can we calculate? Let's solve it. Yes. Listen. So if we first calculate value of t1, we can say value of r. Value of r, this is given to you, yes, 10 centimeter. So 10 into 10 to the power minus 2. Value of omega naught. Omega naught is given 10 pi. It is divided by, I can say this is 3 times of mu k g. So 3 into value of mu k 0.2 and multiplied with g. G value is given, that is 10. Clear? This one and this one cancelled out, clear. So from here you can say we can write like this. This is 10 to the power minus 1, this one and this one, all are cancelled, clear. So from here you can say this is pi by 6 second, clear. Similarly you can calculate for value of t2. Value of t2 we can say this is given by r. Value of r we have 10 into 10 to the power minus 2. Omega naught is 10 pi divided by, we can say 0. Value of mu k is 0.2, clear, multiplied with 2, and we can say value, this is g10, clear. So from here we can say this one and this one cancelled out, this all are cancelled, clear, and we can say this is equal to pi by 4 second, clear. So definitely we can say t1 is less compared to t2. So like this we can solve this problem, clear.